It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are going to be trying out some Young Nails foils. If you have not seen my huge Young Nails haul, where I grabbed a bunch of goodies when they had their Memorial Day sale, definitely check that video out. So here I'm just showing you guys that the nails that I have on my right hand are from the Beetles tip and glue gel kit. I do have a video on this, so I'm just showing you guys one nail, and I am going to cut them down a little bit and file and buff the surface so that I am ready for my foils. So if you haven't seen my review of that product, definitely check it out. And I used that glue gel with some different tips that did not come with the kit. Some of you guys asked me if you can use them with any plastic tips that you already had, so I made a video about that to show you guys that you absolutely can. So I got several foils in the Young Nails kit, but I love animal print. Way back in the day when I first started doing nails, I used to always have animal print. So when I saw these animal print foils, I got so excited. So these are the Boho foils, and these are the animal print foils. I finally decided on this one here. I took these out, but I was like, nah, so I went with that kind of bronzy cheetah leopard, whatever that is. That's the one that I went with, and I'm going to use my Macart foil gel. So for these nails, I didn't bother putting a base color down because I wanted to see how well the foils would transfer. If when I do this again, I will probably put a base color down. So I'm going in with my little silicone tool here just to press it in. And so far, out of the foil glues that I have tried, the Macart is my favorite. And you just want to make sure that you really rub it in so that it can completely transfer. Using this tool kind of really gets in there and presses in those corners nicely. For me, the Macart foil works best when it comes right out of the lamp. So here I went ahead and painted the rest of my nails, but I did go into the lamp for like 10 seconds right before I applied the foil. For the last nail, I tried to do something that didn't really work out, so I'm gonna explain to y'all what I was trying to do when we get to it. So I wanted to have just like a line of the animal print going straight down the middle fingernail. At the time it felt like a good idea, and in the future it's definitely something that I want to try again, but I think I just cut the strip a little too wide, so it ended up covering almost half of the nail. And then I was like, oh man, I could have just did half of the nail. That would have looked cool too. So that's something that I want to try again in the future as well. But it became more of a, I wonder how this will look type of situation. So I ended up just putting the rest of it on the other side to see maybe if you were running out, how you could kind of, you know, fill in the spaces or something. So this nail just kind of turned into an experiment. It still was cute, but it would have looked better if I would have just went all in like I did the other nails. I see a lot of people cut their foil paper and you know, like cut a little piece just for the nail. I don't like to do that for this reason. That way I can have like a long section if I wanted to do like something else with it, like maybe just one strip of the foil or something like that. So that's something that I'm going to be trying in the future. For this nail, it just didn't work out that way. If you want to see how I got my nails like this for my other hand, definitely check that video out. I used some of the Model 1's glitter acrylic, so that video will be in the cards. Here I'm going in with the Beetles Top It Off top coat. And this is what they look like. I got so many compliments on these nails over that next week, so I can't wait to try their foils again. If you have used the Young Nails foils before, let me know in the comments how you like them and which ones you tried. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that share button to share this video with some of your friends. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.